Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss what is percentage, percentage conversion, percentage to fraction, fraction to percentage, percentage to decimal, decimal to percentage, and we are going to discuss what is profit, what is loss, and few formulas on profit and loss. A percentage is a fraction with a denominator of 100. Percent comes from the Latin word percentum, meaning per hundred or out of 100, and is expressed by using the symbol. Now let's see percentage conversion. Percentage conversion. Percentage conversion, the first is percentage to fraction. Percentage to fraction. Percentage to fraction, for example, 28%. So 28% we can convert into fraction. We can write 28 upon 100. So when we reduce this by table of 4, it will go 7 and it will go 25. So 7 by 25. Then the next is percentage fraction to percentage. So fraction to percentage, let's see one example. For example, our fraction is 8 by 25. 8 by 25. And if we want to convert this fraction into percentage, what we have to do? We have to multiply this by 100. And then by table of 25, we get 32%. So this is fraction to percentage. Now the next is percentage to decimal. So percentage to decimal, let's take 1%. For example, the percent is 69%. Now this 69% we have to convert this into decimal. So how we can convert? We can write 69 upon 100, or we can write 0.69. So this percentage converted into decimal. And the last is a decimal to percentage. For example, let's take one decimal number, and the decimal number is 0.76. So we can write 76 by 100 into 100%. So we can write 76%. So first is percentage to decimal, percentage to fraction, then fraction to percentage, percentage to decimal, and at last decimal to percentage. Cost price or wholesale price is the price a shopkeeper pays to buy an article. The selling price or retail price is that price for which a shopkeeper sells an article. Profit means the shopkeeper earns money. The loss means the shopkeeper loses money. Profit is made the selling price is more than the cost price. If the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a profit. Loss incurred when the selling price is less than the cost price. Now, here is the few formulae for selling price and cost price. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much.